Hi, I'm Angela Hsu. We are proud to be the official lighting sponsor of the Beverly Hills Idea House. As you can see, our lighting makes a statement in every room, from the kitchen to the outdoors.
I think lighting is what sets the mood of the entire space. I'm not a huge Lamps Plus fan. I love sites with vast inventories, and I can carve out whatever look I choose.
We're here in the master bedroom, and this is really my kind of space. It's monochromatic, it's got really rich materials, but it's done very simply. The thing that was most exciting to me was to see these sconces in person, because I've been eyeing them online. They feel so good, they look good.
One of my favorite things I saw today was the pendants in the kitchen. Those were really fabulous.
We're here in the hallway, and this is my favorite light fixture in the home. It mixes everything that's going on nowadays. You've got the matte black mixed with this beautiful warm bronze and the Nero Morkina base here.
It's amazing. All the finishes are on point.
When you're using something like an Edison bulb, you really want to use it sparingly. They mix something that's sort of like a retro office, almost a Mad Men kind of feel, with something as sort of semi-industrial like the Edison bulb over here.
Well, they nailed it in the master bathroom. It's an indoor-outdoor shower, and whoever designed this house knows my trick. You gotta put those sconces at eye level so they illuminate your face and you don't get any shadows.
And this is an interesting idea as well. Whereas a table lamp here would have just thrown light everywhere, this instead is going to really focus the light, allow you to concentrate on the artwork, and really gives you a moment of drama.
This is the first sunset idea house that I've done, and they've done a really good job with it.